Hello everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabin here from getequinox.org. Welcome to my Commission Gorilla version 3 review. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review for this amazing cloud-based tool which is called Commission Gorilla, and this is a review of their third version. In a nutshell, this is a tool which is going to be allowing you to create a money pages. In short, most of the marketer used to call it a bonus page. If you are promoting product as an affiliate marketer, you want to make sure you are going to be getting a bestest conversion rate from the traffic that you are driving. But sending in a traffic directly to the sales page without offering any incentive and bonus can normally hurt your conversion rate, and you are probably going to be making a less money. But if you include something called bonuses and something called bonus page, which will help you to increase your conversion rate and sales rate, that is going to be allowing you to make a 10x more profit, right? And that is the exact same thing what does this tool does, Commission Gorilla, which is going to be allowing you to create a high converting bonus page that you can use for making a lot of profit as an online marketer. And these bonus pages convert like a crazy. I have personally used this a lot in my business, and most of the marketer you see out there are using the exact same tool. And when I have done a bit of a research about a Commission Gorilla version 3, there are not any detailed review available out there at this point. Most of the review are outdated and a review of their old version, which was version 1 and 2. So welcome to my version 3 review. In this video you can find an in-depth review of a Commission Gorilla. I'm going to be walking through you every single aspect of the product. As you can already spot, I'm already on a members area. I do own this particular product myself because I have used a lot in my business. So make sure you are going to be watching this review until the end, where I'm going to be showing you every single detail about Commission Gorilla, so you can probably decide whether this is something that you actually want or not. And as usual, on the meantime, if you decided that you are going to be getting your copy of a Commission Gorilla, make sure you are going to be clicking on a link down below this video, which will take you to this bonus page where you can normally click this red button and get your copy of a Commission Gorilla on 50% discounted price. As I have clearly mentioned on the title of the video, that if you normally buy through this bonus page, you are going to be getting a 50% discount. Later on the review, I'm going to be showing you how you can normally apply for a 50% discount so you can save money. Okay, now I have also included what is this product all about and some of the key features, like it will provide you a bonus library to store your bonuses, a drag and drop promotional page builder, start promoting and sharing faster, done for you page hosting, 100% newbie proof, okay, it will help you to make things easier, 100% free web page hosting, make more with a less effort, and no installation. Every single thing will be a cloud based, and there is a 7-minute long demo video which is also included inside a bonus page that you can check out. And now let's have a look to the bonuses that you can get if you get your copy from the bonus page. So first is, I'm going to be offering you a 80 plus bonuses to offer. You are probably buying this to promote affiliate product, right? And for that you need bonuses that you are going to be offering to the customer. But creating a bonus or buying in a PLR product will be lot expensive, and creating a bonus will take a lot of time and effort. So I'm going to be giving you 80 plus bonuses that you can give away on your affiliate promotion. And best part, you are not only going to be getting a 80 plus bonuses, on top of that you are also going to be getting a bonus graphics, so you don't have to create any graphic at all manually. You are going to be getting access to this product called Profit Maximizer, which will be my bonus number 1. And if you see over here, here is going to be a 40 plus bonuses on the first part and 40 plus bonuses on the second part. And if you want to offer this product as a bonus, if you normally click on this particular bonus graphic here, as you can see, you are also going to be getting in a product graphic that you can use on your promotion. And if you normally copy this giveaway link, you just have to give this giveaway link to a customer who have brought a product from you, to whom you have promised that you are gonna be giving them this as a bonus. So as you see, this has saved you a lot of time. You don't have to create your own bonus, you don't have to buy any PLR junk product. These are a quality product. Most of the products are launched by a top marketer of the industry on a Warrior Plus, like Jono Armstrong, Brandon Mays, Art Flair, and many more. And you are also going to be getting done for you product graphics, so it is saving a lot of time and effort, right? This is my first bonus. Second bonus, how to build a buyer email list. Eventually at some point you have to focus on building an email list. You usually find out about a new product on the market from the email which has been sent by a one marketer, right? So you have to be also a marketer who is going to be sending that email to a normal people and selling them something. So in this bonus you are going to be learning that how you can build an email list of a buyer who is going to be buying a product from you again and again. Another bonus is free traffic version. For promoting affiliate offer also, having in a tool, having in the bonuses is not enough. You also need something called traffic, right? So on free traffic version, I'm going to be showing you that how you can drive a highly targeted free visitor every single day for selling whatever kind of affiliate offer that you want, absolutely free of course. And this method can be utilized on any niche. Another bonus is traffic blueprint effect. This is also a traffic bonus. Driving a traffic has never been easier for a beginner who are out there and is struggling. So on free traffic, traffic blueprint effect, I'm going to be showing you that how you can drive a highly targeted traffic every single day. And the last will be all vendor bonus. Once you get your copy of a commission gorilla, just click on this button, similar button on the purchase receipt of a JB Zoo, so you can access to every single bonus which has been listed on this page. So now let's move to a sales page of the product and let's have a look at a few detail here. So now as you can see, this is a discount code that you have to use, or I'm also going to be giving you so my exclusive discount code, so you are going to be getting a 50% discount on the basic version of the commission gorilla. Okay, and as you can see, this tool is going to be allowing you to double, triple, quarter, even 5x your affiliate earning before dinner tonight or something like that. If you scroll it below, they have provided every single information, what are the main feature of this product, some of the sample page here. If you normally click here, you can normally see the sample page. This is a sample bonus page. You can create a various type of a bonus page. And if you normally scroll it below, these are, and you are also going to be getting 10 done for your bonuses already included. And if you get from my bonus page, I'm giving you 80 bonuses, so altogether you already has got 90 bonus that you can offer here. Okay, so I'm not going to be going with a wholesale space thing. You can consider checking out on your own once you get redirect from my bonus page. Okay, so now let's have a look at an actual product itself. So as you can see on the basic dashboard, first you are going to be getting your best performing bonus pages. After that, your worst performing bonus pages, which are the one which has performed really worse, means bad, and the one which has performed very good will be listed over here. And your average view rate and your average click rate and average conversion rate, how many total pages you have created, how many total bonuses that you have hosted, uh, your info, and your normally total stat like raw click, click through rate, a unique click, a conversion, and call to action. Those things are gonna be listed over here. And all new update of the product will be on a latest news and update. Another portion is going to be a new bonus. So on the new bonus you can create a new bonuses. If you normally click on this, you can create a classic text graphic combination bonus page. If you want to normally create an stunning bonus images, or if you want to host bonus image, you can use this. If you want to do it yourself from their editor, you can do this, or if you want to do an invisible block, you can use any of this feature inside the product. If I want to do an graphics, I'm just going to be clicking on that, and I have to normally upload a graphic image over there. Now if you want to host a bonus, you have to give this bonus a name. So I'm just going to be giving a name like Sabine bonus. And now I also have to choose a category. Now for image, you have to click on upload, and normally upload your bonus graphics here. So I have just selected this random bonus graphic here, and this is going to be a bonus delivery page. Okay, so whenever someone normally click on this, they are going to be accessing a bonus. If I normally click on a add URL and add a bonus access URL, just an okay, let me go back. Okay, just as an example, I'm going to be copying that page URL and I'm going to be including. So whenever someone click on this, they are going to be visiting that page, but you are going to be putting your bonus delivery URL in after that particular bonus image. This is how easily you can normally create a new bonuses. and another is going to be a bonus library here. On bonus library, the 10 bonuses that they have promised on the sales page will be listed here. And as you can see, the any new bonus that you are going to be adding will also be hosted over here. As you can see, my bonus also has been hosted over here, and this is a bonus which they have provided as an fast action taking gift. Okay, and if you want to create a new bonus page, click on a new page, and as you can see, I have already reached my limit for creating a page, so I'm not going to be creating an exact new page, but I'm going to be showing you that how you can do it by opening this particular page on the page editor. It's really easy. And as you can see here, you can create this kind of a stunning bonus page. As you can see, first there will be some sort of a disclaimer, and these bonus pages are 100% customizable. You can customize it on whichever way that suits you. Okay, so now if I want to normally delete this element, I'm going to be clicking a delete, and as you can see here, you can put a graphics over here, title. There will be a feature for a countdown timer, and SEO feature will also be included if you want to do SEO like page title, Facebook tags, takes a meta description, SEO keyword. And if you normally click on page setting here, you can change a bonus page URL. And another best part that I like about this is if you want to change the affiliate link on the button which has been available on your bonus page, you just have to normally enter or change the affiliate link on one specific button by going to a page setting, and by going to a affiliate link, you have to normally update that affiliate URL once, and it will automatically update on every single buttons, so you don't have to manually go and update your affiliate link on every single button which is on your bonus page, which will save a lot of time. Another will be an mail get option here. If you want to use this feature, if you want to add some header and footer for making some sort of a cool thing, you can do that. Another will be page color. If you want to change the bonus page color of like background color, if you want to normally change the background image, which can be also customized. And bonus delivery here, how you are going to be delivering this. And if you normally click on delivery page header here, as you can see, this will be the heading of the bonus delivery page: thank you, download your bonuses below. And you have to normally put a split testing monkey code, which is something that you are going to be learning inside the software itself once you start using it. Okay, so now I'm going to be clicking on save and exit. So now as you can see, once you completely finish your bonus page, you can normally use this as your URL here to send the traffic. So if I open this URL, this is the bonus page that I have normally created. These are the bonuses over here, and as you can see, this is in a simple, stunning, high converting bonus page with a call to action. But you can also make a different kind of a bonus page if you want here. And as you can see, copy and course, if you want to normally host this particular bonus page on your own hosting, you can normally use their URL, or you can normally click on this download button and download the entire bonus page template and upload on your own website and use your own domain name if you want, and use the export code below. If you want to normally share this bonus page with someone, you can normally create an export code as well. That is the reason this makes things a lot easier. You can also get a clone feature. So if you find this is a bonus page that I have created has convert well, and I want to make a similar for a new promotion or future promotion, you can normally clone that page as well. And there is also something called import. If you normally come on import and put an import code, you can normally copy your entire bonus page template. And I'm also going to be giving you a one amazing bonus page template code here that you can import if you pick up your copy on the bonus page. Okay, you can use that code so you can get a high converting bonus page as well. So this is this my page feature. If you want to become an affiliate and promote the product, you can use this feature. Another will be integration. As a marketer, we are most of us, we are definitely going to be focusing on building an email list. For that, we need to be able to connect our very own email autoresponder, and they provide the feature for that as well. You want to connect a Aweber, active campaign, ARP reach, mailer light, send lane, get responder, whichever email autoresponder you want to connect, you can integrate that as well. And you can also go to a my account section, which is just your basic detail. There is also something called a resource page. If you normally click on it, you are going to be going to their resources page, where you are going to be getting you can normally get access to their other product and their other system like profit product club, traffic generation club. So you are not only going to be picking up a commission gorilla, you are going to be getting a lot other value feature as well. Okay, so now before I normally end my review, let's have a look to a pricing and funnel, how much this will cost you. So their basic plan will cost you $49, but as I have mentioned that you are going to be getting a 50% discount. Make sure you are going to be coming to my bonus page. Once you come in over here, click this red button. Once you normally click the red button, you will go to sales page. Just copy this particular code, or I am going to be giving you one more new code for a addiction discount, which will be on a description. You can use that as well. Now click on create my account. It will take you to a new page where you are going to be purchasing it. Once you normally come into the place, enter your email address, first name, last name, your payment, which is a payment method that you are going to be using. Okay, so the code, once you normally paste that code, click on apply. As you can see, the price is right now $49, right? But once you normally apply it, as you can see, it has been dropped down to $24.50. So right now you can get your copy literally on a 50% discount by using my bonus page and that specific code. And one more thing, this product is going to be costing you a money every single year. This is not a one-time payment, so you are going to be paying a $49 every single year, but right now you can get your copy on a 50% discounted price. And if you just buy their basic version, you can only use up to 20 pages. For using an unlimited page, you have to get their pro version, which will cost you $67 extra, and I'm going to be recommending you to get their upgrade number one. So make sure you are going to be buying the basic version and upgrade number one. You do not need to buy upgrade 2, upgrade 3, or upgrade 4 until and unless you really want it. If you are disinterested to get these upgrade, you can clearly ignore them. But if you need to use the product full potential, make sure you are going to be buying an upgrade one, okay, basic version and upgrade number one. So technically this is a commission gorilla version 3 review. I hope that you have really enjoyed. Make sure you are going to be getting your copy from my bonus page, so you can normally making a lot of progress with your affiliate promotion. If you really enjoy my review, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I'm going to be check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.